everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are Tally and Ricky from 2 Feet Out the Door, and today we are here in Jinzhou, China, and we're going to go have a fun scavenger hunt adventure. We are here with our friends Matt and Tim. Ricky and I are going to be splitting off into teams with these two fellas, and we're going to go off and we're going to have an adventure, and we're going to have to find some crazy things. Let's go? Let's go. Go.
First things first, we're going to have to get a beer into us.
For courage.
For courage, for courage. Just courage. Let's do it, Tim.
All right.
Where are we going?
I don't remember this town. It's been like 5 years. Okay.
Oh, sure.
Corner store.
Our team has a slight advantage because Tim speaks Chinese. He's the only one. Okay, what are we looking for? We're looking for a beer, mystery item.
You've never heard of this stuff. This is Baijiu. It literally means white alcohol.
This is the you use to get paint off the wall, off your lawnmower. In fact, it's the good stuff.
有啤酒的，有什么样啤酒？需要一听啤酒。听啤酒，青岛可以吗？
可以。
好的，两个，
两
瓶。谢谢。Alright, we have two, and now we need a product that we don't know what it is.
Yeah, I got that for you.
Okay, alright, Tim's picking out my thing that I don't know what it is.
I was thinking maybe one of these.
I'll eat that.
All right.
The budget for our day out in Jinzhou is 150 RMB, which is, what is that? It's like $20 or something like that, $25?
Just about, yeah.
Just about, and we have to try and complete our challenges based on that budget, which is, in and of itself, quite a challenge. One of the challenges is to shotgun a beer, a Chinese beer. Qingdao is the Chinesiest of Chinese beers, so we need to knock that straight back in one go.
And ours are a little big, so hopefully we can get some bonus points for this.
It's like all foam. Kids passing judgment on us. That's okay.
Oh my god.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. And yeah. All right, next challenge. Oh, where are we going to get insect char?
Let's look for a barbecue place. This is Jinzhou. They're gonna be all over the place. I think we just find one and ask if they got it.
Barbecue place, Tim's suggestion. Let's do it.
Meanwhile.
Good luck!
You guys we can go to the park right there. There's see if there's any dancing eyes. I think it's Hongkojie has all the other Xiaokao restaurants, and we can get the bugs there for sure.
Perfect.
Yeah, I've eaten many a bug there.
We're super lucky because Matt lives here. He's the most local of all of us. He's lived here for a few years. Even though we all used to live here, he still does. So
Yeah.
he knows all the best places to go.
She's dancing.
So we are here at the pagoda in town, and usually there are some older women that just kind of dance around, but nobody's here right now to do it. There are a few kids around, a few old men, but none of the dancing that we were expecting. So we might have to go to a different venue.
Honestly, when Ricky and I were coming back from the gym, there were a pack of people doing their thing, but I guess they finished.
So maybe just an odd time of day for
Right.
us to be here. where are we headed now?
We've abandoned the dancing eyes, which the dancing older ladies. So now we're gonna head to barbecue restaurants, and that's where we're gonna find our insects
Ooh.
that are surprisingly delicious.
Matt, do you have a favorite insect?
Bees. Bees? Yeah. Bees. They have these hornets there, and it's kind of fried a little bit, so it's a little crispy, and man, it's like nutty tasting. It's nice. The legs and the exoskeleton do get stuck in the back of your tongue, which is quite annoying, but aside from that, it's great.
All right, so let's go find some bugs. Woo! Okay, so we are in the barbecue place, and we are looking to see if they have the twar, the skewers that we want. So we have grasshoppers, and we have, are those the bees?
Grasshoppers, those are the bees, yeah, I was telling you about. And they don't have the scorpions, unfortunately.
So it's 16 kwai for 3 twar. We're going all out. 1? No, we can do better than that. So, also,
Froggies waiting for their death.
these ones are really good. Our twar is ready. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna snack on these bugs. We're going above and beyond.
Locust-y, actually.
Ooh!
No?
I've eaten a lot of bugs and I just don't know if I can do these. There we go. How are they?
They're really not that bad. Well, that's good as I remember them being, but I remember them being more crispy.
Those do look like cicadas.
Yeah, I think they are. I think I was just drunk. Last time thinking they were wasps.
Oh, I don't know if I can do it.
You can. Chayo.
Oh, there's legs.
There are legs. Yeah.
They have eyeballs. They're looking at me.
Yep.
Oh gosh. We just had a big lunch.
Oh, excuses. Nom 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 nom.
I'm gonna throw up when I eat them.
No, you won't.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Yada! Oh, you're halfway there. Good thing we got 2 twars worth of that.
I'm squishy.
There's 2 more on there, T-Ray.
No! Oh gosh, I can't swallow it.
It's not that bad.
I'm good. No.
Nope, you're done?
Nope.
Oh, no.
I really tried. I thought I could do it.
Oh, there's no grasshoppers. Got the little hoppy hops.
Why
Have the first one, it's a small one.
Why was this on the list? I can't do it. Oh Lord, I can't do it.
We have a whole nother twar.
You ordered 3 though, that's your fault. Beautiful, delicious grasshoppers. Okay.
These are the ones with the legs you gotta
I know.
You want the first one? It's the smallest.
Gosh, yeah, I'll have the smallest one.
Wow, these are much better. Much better. It's not focusing very well. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Much better.
Those are better.
Yeah.
Oh, those are better. Ooh, yeah.
Crispy. Yummy. Yay.
Done?
Yep. All right.
Okay, first full task, check. And what is our next task?
We could do the beer. We could to wash down these fine insects.
Yes. Okay, well I bet in Dandong we could buy a food thing that we don't know what it is. Last one. Yummy. Complete.
Meanwhile,
She's got quite the hat, doesn't she? Yes, she does.
All right, so we're going to leave the insect twar to last.
I think we should go to a market. I think
Go to
we
a market?
Yeah, I think we should troll around there and see what we can get done.
All right, we're going to go to Dandong Market.
Yes.
Dandong Shurchong. Dandong Shurchong. We got a taxi. Oh, my life. Dandong Shurchong. Why didn't I take my bag off? I can't get out.
烤蝎子啊，你指那个蝎子是羊身上的蝎子，还是真正的蝎子？
So I'm asking this guy where we can find some insects. First I tried scorpions. He doesn't really seem to know. I don't know, we'll try a couple other locals and see if they got some info for us.
One of the challenges was that we would eat something that we didn't know what it was. Now, that was a little bit difficult for us because, as I said, Tim is on my team and Tim speaks pretty good Chinese. So we had to purchase something that I didn't know what it was, and I have to eat it, but Tim knew what it was. So that is this, and I have to eat whatever this is, and I'm gonna eat that. I still don't know what it is. It's a stick and it's brown, and that's always a good sign. Is this going to be like uber nasty, or is this going to be like normal nasty?
I think you'll be surprised.
Yeah, maybe I like it. I don't know. Or what is that? It's like tea. It's like a stick of licorice tea.
It's hawthorn candy.
It's what? Ugh.
Hawthorn candy. Really? Let me try. I do it all the time. I love it.
You like this?
Well, let's see. Maybe this one sucks.
It's gooky.
It does get stuck in your teeth.
It tastes like tea. It's like biting down and swallowing an entire tea bag every bite. 你想吃一个这个吗，朋友？
谢谢你，谢谢。那牙不行了，牙都掉了。
he said he'll lose his teeth if he eats it. But.
Right now we're outside Dandong Market, which is a big market in this small little city where you can buy almost anything. You can buy everything from corn to cutlery to antiques to shoes, and that's where we're going to go in now. We can find Chinglish more or less anywhere around here. We just have to keep our eyes open for it. Oh, here. Will that win?
We can do better.
Made in.
Well, okay, actually that's.
朋友多少钱这个？2块，2块吧。好的。We're going to buy this for one of our Chinglish things.
All right, here.
Not only can you use it, but they spelt the name of their own country wrong on the packaging, which is perfect. We're going to look a little bit further because this might not win the competition, but it certainly is up there. I think this is really going to be great. All right, next up, we're looking for more Chinglish, and we're looking for the image of Xi Jinping on a product. Any product.
Meanwhile,
We're in a taxi. We are headed to Dandong Market, and that is where we think we will be able to find a few things on our list. I would bet that the other ones are still there.
Yeah, most likely.
All right, so we
Hopefully we won't cross paths. If we do, we'll just give them the stink eye.
We just got out of the taxi at Dandong Market. We are here. We're going to find, hopefully, our unwitting foreign spokesperson, some silly socks, and whatever else is on that list.
Amy, golden cane. I have some golden cane.
Oh, I bet you do. We'll edit that out.
Like a fungus of some sort?
It might be.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Scallops, little baby
Oh, really?
shrimps. Yeah.
You shouldn't have told me
So
that. I wouldn't have
oysters.
known what these are.
Really?
Yeah, dried seafood things?
Little squids.
Oh, yeah. Well, those I guess I would have figured out. And the little shrimps.
Little crabs. How cute is that? Little guys.
Those are pretty cute. Alright. So here we have some
Miner's helmet.
selfie sticks. One is Chanel, of course. Next we have Daisy Duck, and neither of those are Daisy Duck. So does that count as our unwitting spokesperson?
I think we can just snap. I'm going to continue to look.
Okay, we'll continue to look, but this is what we have right now.
But right now, I am absolutely in love with this mining helmet.
Oh, the things you find at the market. Here we have not Lego, but Lola? Batman the Avenger, the Avengers.
Avengers. There's 2 C's in that word.
Oh. Is that they just put it in there?
Yeah, they did.
Nuclear fission, collect them all. Hey, that's kind of cool.
Really cool.
Peppa Pig is very popular here.
That is a really pink room.
So we are in the clothing section of Dandong Market. We are looking for Chinglish, and we are looking for crazy socks. Crazy socks. So we're looking for silly socks. We found some nice ones with corgis, some pirate dogs.
Crazy underpants to the list.
Ooh, that would have been better.
We could probably do it.
Yeah.
Hey, would you all object to adding crazy underpants to the list, along with crazy socks, or in place of crazy socks?
I think we made a tiny mistake in our timing. We did the insect sticks first.
That took forever, too.
And now the market is
Closing down.
It's closing down.
It's a bottleneck right there when it goes under the overpass.
Yeah.
And sometimes if you tell them you're going on the other side of that, they'll tell you to off.
Okay, can we walk it?
We could.
We're here at the War Memorial Park because we hoped there would be some dancing grannies. We're out of luck this time. We're not doing very well so far.
No, we're failing.
We're not getting a whole lot done, which is kind of disappointing. So we wonder how the other team is doing. Let's check in on them. And that's where we'll input them.
Yeah. Yeah, I see the shitload of traffic down there. I might need to walk up under the bridge and get a taxi.
I see. We're gonna try to go on to the next task and see if we can get anything done.